This is the men ministry cookout at Master Bath. It was well supported by the few who come. We do enjoy ourselves. Yes, it's we again, you know the Seaforth Seventh-day Adventist Church. We're active, as you know, out and everything. Yeah, with the Sundays, we are at the fullness of the full holiday. I don't know people have a holiday and all of that and something. Somehow we still at work still, but we are finding time because fun and social have to go on, fellowship and everything, fun, laughter. That's what we're here for. That keep us going, and keep the whole thing active. Yeah, man, we are clock it like that. Bless up.